What a wonderful world.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shisha. So I came back again with a new video, new makeup look, and this is a wedding or reception makeup look as we will do it. And I think you all will going to like this makeup look. It's a very easy makeup look, and I think you all will going to love this makeup look. By watching you will say that no, maybe it's a hard, but no, it's a very easy. Just continue watching this video. By watching only you can understand how easy it is. And if you like my video, then don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and press that छोटू सा bell icon near the subscribe button. Notify तो रहना है आप लोगों को. So you should these things to support me. So without wasting your time, let's get into the video. And yeah, at first only I will going to tie up my hair. Then I'm going to apply this Good Vibes Rose Hip Serum all over my face. And I prefer this serum before makeup, and because it will moisturize your face very well. Then I will going to apply Face Shop moisturizer. It's a very good moisturizer, and winter is going on, you should moisturize your face how much you can. Then I will going to apply a lip balm of plum candy variant lip balm. I didn't remember the name. I guess it's a blueberry or something like that. I'm so sorry guys. I will going to add the name on the description box, so sorry. Then I will going to start with makeup. At first only I applied Insight primer. It's a first purchase of mine, this, and at first only I'm using this for first time. I just fall in love with this primer guys. This is such a beautiful primer. It will going to smooth out your face, and it's a very promising primer. Then I am going to apply Swiss Beauty High Coverage Foundation. This is also new purchase for me. It's a very good foundation, but it's not that high coverage. You can build it up, so it's a medium to high. I will going to mix this foundation with Swiss Beauty Illuminator because I want a very glowy and gorgeous look, but in a simple. I will going to use this illuminator with this foundation, and you can watch, it's just giving a very glowy look on my face. Then I am going to apply this foundation on my ear, neck, all over my exposed area near my face. And yeah, my face is kind of done, but you should blend. Blend is very important for makeup. Blending is very necessary. So then I am going to apply this concealer of Swiss Beauty on my eyes, on my under eyes, and also on my upper part of my eyes. And then I am going to blend it up as well as I can. And I use concealer as a eye primer because I don't have eye primer, so concealer help you as eye primer also. And then I am going to again take the concealer and going to apply on my bridge of my nose, on my small kind of spots or a pimple. I don't have that much pimple, a bit spots. I will going to just apply on that area. Plus my concealing part is done. Then I am going to comb my eyebrows with this pulley, and then I am going to take Swiss Beauty brown eyebrow pencil, and then I will going to shape it up a bit. And then again I will going to comb my eyebrows and set the eyebrows as well as I can. And my eyebrow is done. So easy it is. So first part of my eyes is done. The next part will be my eyeshadow part. Eyeshadow one is more easier than that guys. Just continue watching. By watching only you can understand how easy it is. So I will going to take 9 color eyeshadow palette of Swiss Beauty. I guess on whichever eyeshadow palette you have this kind of shades, like this creamy shades and black shades, these shades. So at first only I'm going to use this cream base shade on all of my eyelid, as well as I can on my eyelid, and also on my under eyelid, on my under eye line wala part. I want to give a smoky look, very simple easy smoky look. Yes, my eye look is kinda done. Mostly main part of my eyes is done. I'm going to smoke it out, this shade on my under eyes. Then I'm going to take a goldish golden kind of shimmer shade, and going to take it on my finger and going to apply on my inner part of my eyelid to outer, from inner to out, in to out. I will going to apply on that process. And yeah, my eye is mostly done, and then I'm going to take the brush and just going to blend it up, mix it up with the eyeshadow, just give it a very blended look and smooth look finish. So yeah, next I will going to take a very small brush. I'm going to take that jet black shade, and smoke it out on my outer view of my eyes. I just want to give a very smoky look, and this look will be going to give you a very popping eye look, and your eye will be highlighted. It's a very simple, but you can see how it just changed the look. You, by watching only, you can understand. Then I will going to take colossal eyeliner and going to apply the eyeliner. I just make a very simple eyeliner look. I just make a very thin eye look from inner side, from my inner to outer part. I made a very thin and a bit thicker on my outer V part of my eyes. So my eye look is mostly done. Then I will going to apply mascara to complete my eye look, and this is the colossal mascara, everyone know about it. And yeah, my eye look is completed. It's that easy, that simple. So for next I will going to use this sugar baking powder all over my face. It's a very good baking powder. I prefer everyone to buy this baking powder. It's universal, and it's this product is also very promising. Maybe it's a bit in higher in price side, but it's a very good baking powder. Then I am going to apply blush. This is also my new purchase, and guys, these blushes are so beautiful, so pigmented, and so promising. And I guess you all will going to love this kind of blush shade, and it's such a good blush, and it looks so vibrant. The colors are so vibrant. Your face will going to look very beautiful after using this blush. By watching, you can understand. Then I'm going to use this inside highlighter. This is also my new purchase, but I'm in love with this highlighter. Highlighter is so promising and so good. It's a very subtle highlighter. I'm going to apply this highlighter on my bridge of my nose, cheekbone, chin, and done. I'm using too much of highlighter because I just want to give a very glowy makeup look. That's why I'm using this much of highlighter, and the makeup is looking so gorgeous, guys. I'm in love with my makeup look. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. Then I will going to apply this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer and just going to dab it up a bit. Then I will going to use this Naive pink lipstick. I didn't remember the what I will say the name of this lipstick. I'm going to mention it on the video and I will going to lighten it up a bit because I want to make a very subtle lipstick look. I don't want to give a bold lips. I just want to give a very simple lips. So I pair it up with this very huge earrings on my ears, and then I'm going to wear the sari, and my makeup look is done, earring part is done. Then I'm going to pair it up with a nose pin, whatever you want, a silver nose pin. Then I'm going to pair it up with this four bangles, 3 to 4 bangles in my hand. My whole look is completed. It's such a gorgeous, such a beautiful makeup look. I'm just in love with this makeup look, guys. It's looking so gorgeous, so beautiful, and so glowing. Just everyone will going to look at you only on the wedding party or reception party, wherever it is. Everyone will going to look at you. Such a beautiful makeup look it is, guys. So gorgeous, so beautiful. If you like my video, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Share with family and friends, whoever you want. And if you want more this kind of video, then comment me below, suggest me videos, and I will going to mention my Instagram link. You can DM me over there. So I will not going to waste your time. Bye guys, meet you to the next video.